How to get your Telegram profile link. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get your profile link on Telegram app. Now to do so is quite simple. What you want to do is tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner of your screen and then head into settings. Now once on settings, what you want to do is you'll find the option username. Simply tap on it and make sure you have set your username. Now type in username and then tap on the tick mark option at the right hand side of your screen at the top right and your username will be created. Now once you create your username, if you open up your username here, you'll find an option to share your link at the bottom of your screen. Now, however, in my case, you can see that there is no link option here. What you can do in this case is on your profile, what you want to do is tap on the QR code option at the top right corner of your screen beside the search icon. You can see tap on it and you can share your QR code. Simply tap on share QR code and you'll be able to share your QR code through various options, through Telegram, through WhatsApp, through Messenger, through Snapchat. I'll just simply select Telegram here and you'll be able to send them here. So this way you can share your link. However, if you want to share link but not QR code, what you can do is head into your app store. If you have phone scanner, you can scan it through your phone, or you can head into your phone Play Store or App Store and searching for QR code scanner and then download this app, and then you can, if you scan the picture, your QR code that you got on your profile, if you scan this, you'll be able to get the link and you can share the link. So this way you can get your Telegram profile link. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.